loss of conversations, love, blessing, and loss of the regard to all my subscribers and all my galaxies, stars of students. As you know that this channel is always keeping you in the first point, according to your share and comment. In this channel, so many types of video already uploaded, like tips and tricks, skill development, quantum theory, basic knowledge of computer, basic shortcut, spreadsheet, 100 sentences which are daily uses, 1000 words which is daily uses, 130 sentences which are uses and very symbols. This way, small video we are here uploading. But first, today I would like to say about this loss of pieces. For this happy holiday.
My name is
B.
Speak. My name is
To all
Speak. Anoor. My name is Speak.
Praise your
Speak.
holy
My name
names
is Speak.
amongst your family.
My
And
name
last
is Speak.
forever.
I
This
live
our
at
blessing.
September.
And
My
God
name
will bless you forever.
I live at
We
September.
are going to
Today,
you something.
Happy Holi to everyone.
This will be
Today, Happy Holi. Happy Holi to everyone. Happy Holi to everyone. Happy Holi.
Watching the first time.
Happy Holi to everyone. Happy Holi to everyone. Happy Holi to everyone.
Very much. Next one.
Happy Holi to everyone. Everyone. Boleh betul? Speak.
As I know that
Happy Holi
your
to
support
everyone.
and if your channel is going, that means you want to increase how much comments you will show here. I will find that your comments are very interesting and you are showing your courage. You are showing your interest.
So speak your name, beta.
So let's go ahead without speaking the video, without pause the video, just only to listen. And this will be the complete
Then I
solution
am going to share
right? So let's go ahead
symbol of India.
and watch this completely.
But before
Let's
that,
go ahead.
I will have a highly greetings and lots of congratulations. Happy Holi to everyone. Enjoy your Holi and be holy and be Raj Yogi. So many comments I were getting about these holies, but some comments were also that short informations about the national symbol. So that's why by this video I'm going to share with you very short and simple informations about national symbol. I do believe that you will watch a complete video so that it is very easy to explain and to remember about this national symbol, which is very
Let's start to today's where we're talking about that so many commands that we're getting about as a national symbol of India. So I thought that let's start about this national symbol. Everybody has knowings, but let's little bit more about this so that it will be very easy to make you understand and remember, right? So here is the national symbols, wherever symbols I have tried to show you, and in this video you will get the maximum informations about this. So in very shortcut, just I'm talking about national language. We know Hindi, national game hockey, national book Gita, national mountain Nanda Devi, national aquatic reptile Gharial, national aquatic bird kingfishers, and national amphibians purple frog, national land bird Indians bustard, national heritage mammal grey langur, national heritage birds Brahmini kites are Indian eagle. So this was in very short symbols about this. So Indian peacock was designed as the national birds of India, but there were some of the other birds also considered for the honor, such as Great Indian Buzzards, and there are so many things whichever we will. That is a Great Indian Bus, that is Bustard, Sarus, Crane, Sarus Swan, Hans, Brahmani kites, and Indian eagle of Brahmani kites represents the Garus, mythology birds, and the Vahana of the god Vishnu, right? So this way we have started here, and just I'm going to one by one, just I'm going to show you so that it will be easy to understand. So national symbol represents the identity. National symbols represents the identity elements and distinctive characteristics of the country. The symbols have been chosen by very careful and depict the cultures and the nature of India. Here is a list of 16 national symbols of incredible India we should know. In my opinion, the national vegetables of India should be Indian pumpkins or brinjals. National dish of India should be dal rice or roti sabji. Kingfishers would be the national aquatic birds of India. Himalaya newt or purple frogs would be the national amphibians of India, and gharial should be crowns as India's national aquatic reptile, right? So this was the some information. Once again, so national flags. This is we always salute to the national flags. Tiranga. Tiranga, also called tricolor, is the national flags of India. Has three colors, saffrons. What are the three colors here? Let me once again explain what are the three colors here. So for your information, tricolors is the national flag of India. Has three colors, saffron at top, which signifies sacrifice and patriotism. So mirror is white, stands for truth with Ashoka chakra. Middle of the white is a blue wheel at bottoms, green for life and prosperity. So this way, tricolors, a little bit very short information I try to put before you. I do believe that still, if you have not subscribed, then just you can go and subscribe, share and hit the bell button, so that this types of video, which is very important and very useful for you and for your children, you can share and subscribe. Next, we have a national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. Everybody knowing this is Jana Gana Mana as a national anthem of India, composed by poet Rabindranath Tagore. The national anthem takes 52 seconds and was composed in Bengali language called Sadhu Bhasha. Alright, just I'm going to show the once again Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jai Hai. Everybody knowing this thing, you can check it out here, whichever in the written form. Right, everybody knowing Sansevere salutes and severe regards. We respect these national anthems, which has been composed by, you can see, the one of this greatest composer national anthems, one who composed Rabindranath Tagore. This is Guruji, right? Once again, we have a national song, Vande Mataram. This is here Nasle Vande Mataram Sudalam Satalam Mare Sitalam Sasya Shamalam Mataram Vande Mataram. Do you know that's due to this was the revolutionary, and this songs were giving this power and courage to our freedom fighters. Due to this songs, and so many people has to sacrifice for their lives. So definitely we should have to remember this word by word. There are so many meanings and so many this is the remembrance, and he has given here. You can check it out. Look here. So try to remember and try to learn this once again. So for a very short information, Vande Mataram is a national song of India, composed by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, right? Composed by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. The song has been translated into numerous Indian languages, right? Once again, I'm zooming and I'm showing you here national song Vande Mataram. This is Bharat Rashtriya Chins, that is Pratik, national symbols, national currency, Indian rupees. Everybody knowing this thing? Indian rupees. Indians rupees, everybody knowing, right? Next symbol we have a national emblem. The national emblem of India is adopted from the lion capital of Ashoka as Saranath features four Asiatic lions, emblem symbolizing power, courage, confidence, and the bottoms is a horse and a bull with beautiful wheel, Dharma Chakra at center, right? National place, which is very important. You are remembering these things. National place, Bharat Mera Desh hai, India is my country. Okay, we all are Indians, our sisters and brothers. So national place, this is very important for everybody. Have to know this is that national place, which verse we are continuing in school, college, and everywhere. We have to one by one word, which is very, very important. Look out this is which everything's written here. That means all six. But the problems is going on. So there is only one place. Every solution to this given here. I don't think so. After that, you have to think and you have to do something. So this national place in oath of allegiance recited in schools during the Independence Day and Republic Day celebration. The Indian national place was composed by Paidimari, that is Paidimari Venkat Subbarao, Paidimari, that is Pedimari Venkata Subbarao, Pedimari, you can say Paidimari Venkata Subbarao. Right, next we have a national calendar, Shaka calendars, which is very important. Now the people, they don't know this name. So Chaitra to start and Falgun is the last, Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Asad, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Agran, Posh, Magh, Falgun is very important. So nowadays the peoples, they are day by day, they're all everything, cultures and heritage, they're going to forget. That's why I thought my video will be very good for your remembrance, right? Saka calendars in India. National calendar is the official calendar to use in India along with Vikram Sambat. The Saka calendars follow the signs of the tropical zodiac. Let me see what is. We have a next national river, Ganga. Ganga river is the national river of India and the most sacred river to Hindus. The Ganga is also the longest river in India and home to indigenous Ganga's river dolphins. Very good. So national river Gangas, right? Everybody knows about this. We have a national flower in India, Lotus. So what is this? Look, Indian Lotus. In a lotus, the most beautiful species of aquatic plants commonly cultivated in water garden. These aquatic plants occupy the unique positions in the art and the mythology of ancient India. Indian lotus, the most beautiful species of aquatic plant commonly cultivated in water gardens. The aquatic plants occupy the unique positions in the art and mythology of ancient India. Next we have national fruit mango. Mango is a national fruit of India, cultivated mostly for edible fruit. India is home to more than 100 varieties of the mango fruits found in natures as well as in the royal forest. Next symbol we have a national tree, Indian banyans. Indian banyans is the national tree of India and is native to the Indian subcontinent only. Banyan tree is among the largest tree in the world. Thimma Marimanu, located in Andhra Pradesh. Thimma Marimanu, located in Andhra Pradesh, is the largest tree specimens in the world. Okay, Indian banyan tree. National animals, the Bengal tiger. Who doesn't know this? Bengal tiger. Well, Bengal tiger is the national animal of Indians and rank among the biggest cats in the world. India is home to largest numbers of Bengal tigers, and the estimated populations of Bengal tigers in India increased to 3,890 individuals. Next, we have a national bird animals, peafowl or peacock. Indian peacock or Indian peafowls is the national bird of India, best known for long feathers, and peacock dance before rain. The bird is born in the dry lowland area, and the residents breeds across the Indian subcontinent. We have the next national aquatic animal, Ganges river dolphin. The Ganges river dolphins has been declared as national aquatic animals of India by the Indian government and also has been selected to be the city animals of the Guwahati. These South Asian river dolphins primarily found in the Ganges, Yamuna, Chambal rivers, Brahmaputra river, and their tributaries. Next symbols, let me see. National reptiles, King Cobra. Who doesn't know this? King Cobra is selected as the national reptile of India. The species is endemic to India and Southeast Asia. It is the sole member of its own genus and the world's longest venomous snakes with a maximum length of 18.8 feet. So do you know this thing? National Heritage Animals India. Elephants. Indian elephant has been declared as National Heritage Animal of India. Native to mainland Asia, the Indian elephant has been listed as endangered and threatened by habitat loss, fragmentation, and degradation. Below list is this. Okay, so we're talking about the symbols. So there is no official records and announcements by Indian government to make below as a national symbol, so no need to talk. Indian elephant. Now once again, that is national symbols, all everything seen, where we can say summary. National language, we have a Hindi. National game, we have a hockey. National book, Gita, that is Srimad Bhagavad Gita. National mountain, that is Nanda Devi, and national aquatic reptile, coral. National aquatic bird, kingfishers, and national amphibians, purple frog. National land bird, Indian bustard. National heritage mammal, grey langur, and national heritage bird, that is a Brahmani kite or Indian eagle. This way we have completed some more symbol. National microbe for India, Lactobacillus del Brucal, Lactobacillus del Brucal subsp. Bulgaricus has been announced as the national microbes for India, which is used for the production of yogurt. You can remember only lactobacillus. What is the national fish of India? There is no national fish of India, but we have national aquatic animals, Ganges river dolphin. Indians mackerels may be known as national fish of India. This is not sure. But the national butterfly of India, there is no national butterfly of India. Kesari one Hind. There is Tenophalus imperial swallowtail butterfly means emperor of India, and maybe the national butterfly of India. So this was the very short information whichever I told you about in this video. I hope you will like, share and subscribe, and make sure that if you want to complete this all everything, then only one thing is that you have to listen and learn many times so that you can complete this video and you will remember all national symbols. Okay, with that, happy Holi, be holy and be Raj Yogi. Enjoy your Holi with your family. Have a great day ahead. Thank you very much for your support. So thanks. If you have not subscribed still, you can go subscribe, share and hit the bell button so that whenever this types of new videos, you will get notified. Thank you.